Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to send a photo to a community in WhatsApp Web. It's a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Launch the WhatsApp Web application on your computer or open the WhatsApp website in your browser. Step 2. Locate the community chat in your WhatsApp web interface. Step 3. Click on the plus icon. It's usually located at the bottom left corner of the chat window. Step 4. Click on photos and videos from the options that appear. This will allow you to select a photo or video from your device. Step 5. Search for the desired photo and press open to add it to your message. Step 6. If you like, you can add a message to accompany the photo. Simply type in the message box. Step 7. Finally, press send to share the photo with the community. And that's it. You've successfully sent a photo to your community in WhatsApp Web. It's a great way to share moments and engage with your community members. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.